we're celebrating the Cermak Blue Island Sustainable Street, or otherwise known as the Pilsen Sustainable Streetscape. And we're here at Juarez High School, where we partnered with CPS to really create a place for the students and for the community that addresses placemaking, addresses beautification and safety, but also really looks at a whole suite of ecological services.
So it looks like a regular street, but everything's actually a little bit different. You've got permeable pavers here. You've got BIOSWALES. You've got photocatalytic concrete that actually eats smog. Solar wind-powered light behind me, recycled asphalt. It's about 30% recycled with slag and shingles. You've got a stormwater system that runs off the roof and gets absorbed into the bioswales. So basically we thought about everything.
In the process of doing this, we have been learning so much that we have already carried a lot of what you see here today into other projects. We are putting permeable pavements in almost all of our streetscape projects. We are using white light technology. We are recycling in our concretes and our asphalts. So a lot of this stuff we have begun to implement across the board.
I think that's where we're heading to, is a more holistic look at how to build streetscapes, so that the product is beautiful, aesthetically pleasing for the neighborhood, particularly neighborhoods that are transitioning from industrial to mixed use, which is happening all over Chicago, and then making sure that we don't get eaten alive by the maintenance costs.
We are currently working on our sustainable urban infrastructure guidelines and policies for the entire department and for work in the public way. And we are learning from projects like this, our Green Alley project. We've done really quite a number of pilots here in Chicago, and now we're really turning those into policies and guidelines that will affect all of the work that we do in the public right-of-way.
The plan really talks about the next few years and what we want to do to continue to make Chicago an incredibly livable and attractive city, and also ensure the economic vitality of the future. So projects like this are actually great examples of pulling all of that together in a really tangible way. And it's a really comprehensive way to have a physical space that brings forward multiple benefits, and it's actually a space that'll be less expensive for us to maintain. So it's really stewarding taxpayer dollars while we're giving a beautiful opportunity here for people to come together and create great economic opportunity in the process. And we're delighted that it's right here in partnership with CPS and the school.